Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 7 Foods to avoid when taking zinc supplements. Break calcium, alcohol, and certain plant compounds, like lectins, tannins, and phytates, or phytic acid, can make it harder for your body to absorb zinc. Here are 7 foods to avoid when taking zinc supplements to maximize absorption. 1. Kidney beans. Break Peter Hermes Furian, Getty Images. Break kidney beans and other legumes, like chickpeas and pinto beans, contain phytates, anti-nutrients that block zinc absorption. Break. However, cooking and soaking beans reduces the phytates, making it easier to absorb zinc, according to Lee Oldham, RDN, a registered dietitian nutritionist at Henry Ford Health in Detroit. 2. Peanuts. Break Nile Image, Getty Images. Break. Like kidney beans, peanuts contain phytates that can interfere with zinc absorption. Break peanuts and other high phytate foods only block absorption if consumed with zinc supplements. Taking the supplements 2 hours before or after eating these foods can minimize interference, according to Debbie Petit-Payne, MBA, RDN, a Charleston-based registered dietitian and spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. 3. Coffee. Break Catherine Falls Commercial, Getty Images. Break coffee and tea contain antioxidant plant compounds such as polyphenols and tannins, which can modestly cut down on zinc absorption, Oldham said. Break. Adding a splash of milk to your beverages also introduces calcium, which competes with zinc absorption. Break. If you drink coffee or tea regularly, try to separate them from zinc by at least 30 to 60 minutes, Oldham added. 4. Yogurt. Break Willet Villet, Getty Images. Break calcium supplements and dairy products like yogurt and cheese can make it harder for your body to absorb zinc and iron. These minerals compete for absorption in the intestines, so you should space them out, said Oldham. Break. If you're taking iron or calcium supplements, consider splitting them up and taking zinc in the morning and iron or calcium later in the day, Oldham added. 5. Oats. Break Arx Zero NT, Getty Images. Break oats and other high-fiber, whole-grain foods contain phytates, which block zinc absorption. 6. Fortified beverages. Break Manus upon Casasod, Getty Images. Break Light dairy milk, fortified almond, soy, and rice milks contain calcium that can interfere with zinc absorption. 7. Excessive alcohol. Las Nuevas Directrices Dietéticas para los Americanos 2015-2020 Recomiendan limitar el consumo de alcohol en adultos y una bebida o trago alda para mujeres y 2 bebidas alda para varones. Break Tetra Images, Jamie Grill, Getty Images. Break. Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol can prevent intestinal zinc absorption. For this reason, people with alcohol use disorder often need zinc supplements. Break. People who drink in less than speak moderation should still space out zinc supplements and alcoholic beverages, since alcohol can irritate the stomach lining and reduce absorption, Oldham said. Do you really need zinc supplements? Break. Since zinc competes with many other compounds, you may want to take zinc supplements on an empty stomach. However, this can cause gastrointestinal issues for some people, according to Emma M. Lang, Ph.D., RDN, FAND, clinical professor and director of dietetics at the University of Georgia. Break. It may help to take it with a low phytate, low calcium, or non-dairy snack and a beverage other than tea or coffee, Lang told Very Well in an email. Break. Many plant-based foods have zinc-blocking compounds, so people following a vegetarian or vegan diet often need zinc supplements. Break. Others take zinc to prevent the common cold. Research on its effectiveness is mixed, but zinc is unlikely to stop you from getting sick. At most, it might just help reduce the duration of your cold. Break. For most people, a balanced diet provides adequate zinc. Supplements are generally recommended only when there is a diagnosed deficiency, increased needs, such as post-surgery, certain chronic conditions, or under medical guidance, Petit-Payne said. Break. High zinc food sources include oysters, beef, fortified breakfast cereals, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.